Okay, now we're going to talk about the quality PDP screen. From the view screen, the second main menu, you go to quality, then PDP. This is the area where you can monitor the cycle of the machine. Right now, we're watching mold close time, cycle time, max charge pressure, and hold in position or your cushion. You can change the color of the columns here by stopping it, then going to setup, then go to properties. Highlight the one you want to change the color of. Let's say hold in position, and let's change that color to green underneath the column color. Then you check OK. And now our hold in position is now green. Now, many customers want to be able to monitor different functions of the machine. So now, if you want to add columns of different information, first you have to make sure you're in the stopped condition, setup, parameter selection, and let's say we want to add something from the quality tab here. You have injection, eject, mold, quality, and temperature. So let's add something from the quality screen. Okay. Anything that is in red is already being monitored. So let's come down and let's monitor charge time. You highlight it and then hit the arrow to bring it over to the selected parameter. Okay. Then let's add one more. Let's add hold switch position. You highlight it, enter it over to the selected parameter, and now it is here. Now you click the check. Now the one thing is that once you do this, it will delete all the recorded data as it adds a column. So we're going to go ahead and delete it. And now our two columns are now added. Now to re-enter in our information again, we're going to go ahead and start the machine. We're going to run one cycle. And then it will add it across here. First, you have to start it. So now you notice that now that it's started, this was shot number 64, the mold close time, the cycle time, the charge pressure, the end position, the charge time, and the hold switch are all listed on there now. Now we're going to put the machine back in semi. Now, on the bottom of the screen, we have the ideals. If you want to if this is exactly how you want the machine to be running, you will take this as an ideal value. You will click ideal value, you highlight it, click it as ideal value. Now we'll take it, the information you have highlighted, and click it in as your ideals. Then it monitors what the minimum was for any particular column. In this case, the minimum for mold close time was 3.6. The maximum was 3.7. The difference between those is 0.1 second. The average of your clamp close time is 3.7 seconds. Now, as we stop it one more time, and let's go back to setup. You can do this as a time measurement, a cycle measure. You can send it to either a file being the screen, or to a printer. If you have a USB printer connected, you can record it as ISO or imperial. If you want to delay the start of it for a number of shots, knowing that you're going to have a rejected part, the first two parts, you could put in 2, and it will not start recording the information for 2 shots. The interval will be how many, if you want to record it every shot, or if you want to just record it every 2 shots. You can tell it how many records you want to record. You can also, down here, give it a file name. So if you click on it, okay, right now it is PDP path. So if we want to change that file name to a test, click the check mark. Click the check mark again. Now you can see that it is saving as a test. You could use this as a mold number or a job number, so you could record this information and be able to retrieve it at a later date. Action is for the error action, and then a decimal separator is just a comma as to how it's looking at the different information.